Need to reset the service light on your Mazda 6 after an oil change? It's quick and easy using the infotainment system. Use the controls in the center console to navigate the menu in the infotainment system. Using the turn knob in the center console, scroll across to the Applications option and select. Scroll downwards and select Vehicle Status Monitor. Scroll down once again and enter the Maintenance menu. Select the Service Schedule option. Scroll down and select Reset. The system will ask you, are you sure you want to reset the schedule maintenance? Select Reset. Return back to the main menu and confirm the service schedule has been reset. To reset the oil change percentage, stay in the Maintenance option on the entertainment system. Scroll down to the Oil Change option and select. Again, the system will ask her if you want to reset the oil change schedule. Select Reset. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and remember it's free to subscribe.